Hello everyone, this is Gay and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. I'm very sure that all of you are having this problem at home. Broken pieces of home decors, especially when you have kids around. This sharp-looking red giraffe is one of my favorite, which is also my wedding anniversary gift. I am so doomed. So for today, I'm going to teach you a simple DIY trick on how we can fix it back to its original. Before we begin, you need to have this 502 super glue, a low viscosity, ultra fast setting adhesive which bonds immediately upon contact, available in most hardware stores and multiple brands. Step 1. Make sure you are able to collect all the broken pieces. Step 2. Clean the contact surface from any dirt or contaminants. Step 3. Apply 502 super glue. Step 4. Fix back the broken piece. Hold it for 10 seconds. Wow, flawless! All this possible with this little 502 super glue. People always say, happy wife, happy family, and happy me. It's time to go home. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you. Bye-bye.